I think a lot of times people think of climate change as this kind of red state, blue state issue. It's become partisan. In Montana, do you feel like because people are so in tune with the country that they feel like there's been a lot of changes?
Well, I think people here are aware of climate change. There's still skeptics about what causes it, as there are around the world. What is the big footprint of man in all of this? But these people have lived through the last 5, 6, 10 years with very dry conditions. One of my neighbors said it's the worst that it's been since the 30s. So they know that it's going on, and they're seeing patterns of wildlife migration change. They know that the Yellowstone was shut down last year from 4 till midnight for the first time in a long, long time. I think maybe ever. That's always been a great cold water fishery. So they're aware of it, and they're sensitive to it. This is a state that lives on the ground and in the water, and depends on the climate for nurturing the land and the crops and providing the kind of resources that we need to raise animals. So they're very keen about it.
And the last question, what would you like to say to inspire people, or what do you think people really need to do to get a hold of this issue?
Well, I think they have to step up. We're going solar on the ranch on half of it to see how well it works. These are tough choices that you have to make. It's going to cost us some money to put it in. It'll take us about 12 years to recover it, but we're trying to have the long view. Everybody's sensitive about buying more fuel-efficient vehicles. When you travel long distances out here in the West, that's a hard thing to do. We just have to pay more attention. We've had our nose down in oil and carbon-based fuels for a long time, and you can reduce the footprint, but it's not going to happen overnight.
Thank you very much.